5 minutes. That's all this takes. No equipment, no experience, just your mat and your morning. Come down onto your back. Let's begin. Knees bent, feet flat. Hands on your lower belly. Inhale through the nose. Feel your rib cage expand sideways. Exhale through the mouth. Draw your navel gently in. This activates your deep core before we even move. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Good. Your core is awake. Now, the 100. Curl your head and shoulders off the mat. Legs bent if you're a beginner, that's exactly right. Pump your arms, small pulses. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going, breathe through it. Last set, make it count. Feet flat, knees bent, arms by your sides. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, press through your heels and lift your hips. One long line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze at the top. Hold for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Now lower down slowly, vertebra by vertebra. 2 more times, slower each time. This is your body doing exactly what it was built to do. Lower all the way down. Hug your knees into your chest. Rock side to side. Let your spine release. Take 1 deep breath and let go. 5 minutes. That's what you just gave your body. Do this every morning for 30 days, and your body will remember. Save this. Come back tomorrow. Subscribe. We're just getting started.